Hello guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about how do you retrieve the money after your account was suspended. How do you get it after the 180 days? Okay, now I got this after the 180 days, like your paper funds are available for withdrawal. Okay, so what do you do next? Okay, what next? Now we're going to discuss this video is going to be like 2 minutes or 3 minutes, going to be sharp. So assuming like your account was suspended, you have waited for 180 days, and people usually have to send you this email that your funds are eligible for withdrawal. So what you do if you have a card in your account, okay, you may first try to initiate the transfer. Now, if everything is locked, you're going to do this. You're going to first tell PayPal, okay, through its message center, okay, this. Now, for me, I don't have any bank which was linked in here. So we're going to write to PayPal and tell them to do something, okay? So this video is going to guide you how to withdraw this money. After 180 days, if you have a card, or if you don't have a card, or the card expired, or all your financial details are no longer active, whatever the situation is, this video can work for you. So what you do is, after you receiving this email that your funds are eligible for withdrawal, you're going to go to the message center. So you're going to come here. Then what you're going to do is you're going to click on new message, and be careful to choose the right department, because if you report this video in the wrong department, these guys don't really take time. They won't even bother replying to you. So make sure you go for a section which has disputes and account limitations, okay? So when you go there, go for account limitations, okay? My account may be limited out resolved. Check the status of the limitation. So click on this. Okay, after that, there is how this is just information. So when you're here, you just have to click on continue. You don't have to click on this because these are more like FAQs. So you have to click on continue, okay? So when you click on continue, you're going to write to PayPal that your account has made 180. Actually, you can tell them like they sent you this email, like your funds are available for withdrawal. So you tell them it has been like 60 days, and I've got an email to withdraw my money. I would like you to activate the option so that I can send the money to my bank. Now, if you don't have a bank, you can tell them to you kind of requesting this money to be maybe sent to another account, something like that. Okay, so you don't have to lie anything this time because you already lost. You have already waited 180 days. You have to tell them what is the truth, what is on the ground. As long as you didn't steal anyone. So in here you can tell them, hey guys, it's been 180 days. Okay, can you can you try to activate the sending so that I can send to my account, or can you activate the withdraw so that I can withdraw to my M-Pesa line if in Kenya, or you can tell them I want to withdraw to my maybe my friend's account, something like that. So by so doing, people will kind of reply you in the next 2 days, and you'll be able to withdraw this money, or they will send you directions on how to do it, okay? All right, so I would like to hear from someone who has done this. I've done it for like 6 people, and it has worked successfully. And I would love to hear it from people who are going to use this video in resolving their issues and getting their money after 180 days. And I really appreciate to hear from you that it also worked for you. And you can subscribe on my channel for videos like this, and also other videos in making money online and all other PayPal stuff, okay? Thank you, and bye-bye.